being queen. You know what I mean?
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype, whether good about her blood clot to get a hype, but something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So we have to get the blood clot because we want these hype. And some people are things this stuff. So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype, whether good about her blood clot to get a hype, but something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So we have to get the blood clot because we want these hype. And some people are things this stuff. So it's to come to the queen level, it
I sleep, I want to sleep. I'm tired. I 3 days now, I travel. That's why I look so. Alright, my place, better listen to this.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype, whether good about her blood clot to get a hype, but something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So we have to get the blood clot because we want it.
Spice, you can't trick me. That's my advice. Now watch this now, people. As I said before, I am a spiritual advisor. What the voice note Spice just released a while ago, yes, that's me. That's me talking to she. Now, more you listen to the voice note clearly. Now, Spice, you can't trick me, but hold on, I'm going to go on 2 things for run with again. You know this, you hear what I'm saying, right? I want to play it again, listen.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype, whether good about her blood clot to get a hype, but something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So we have to get the blood clot because we want these hype. And some people are things this stuff.
Okay, alright, hold on. Where you hear me say, I saw people are things sister. Come, let me educate you now. Yes, that's my advice. What do you hear me say? Because so could mama, as the topic is so could mama say, me not change. All the 2 fucking dons. You hear me say, I saw people are things sister. If I am the spiritual advisor, no must me I tell her that your motherfuckers. So I am telling her everything what she said in the voice note. Yes, the RT said that. Let me talking. May I address one voice note first? May I address this? Listen.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood.
When the girl talks that she dirty and her skin cranny and she no look beardable and she no beard. Remember the argument there? Remember I'm the spiritual advisor. So let us deal with this. You remember when the girl says Spice never look good and Spice never beard yet? Alright. Me and Spice attack, me and advisor. So me say if you come to the queen level, listen everything, you know, and the last thing me say, just more you listen again, you know. This voice note is from when the girl say, you ever look dirty, you ever want beard, and you're nasty, that did hurt her. So this is my encouragement to her. But this is what I want to know. She never edit the voice note good. She never ever edit the voice note good because the last thing she said is, sister. Obviously, me an advisor, but more want to listen good enough. Because when I run with the hype, you know, I don't know why them never make she edit the voice note good to try to fix it the right way. Listen.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype, whether good about her blood clot to get a hype, but something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So we have to get the blood clot because we want these hype. And some people are things this stuff. So it's to come to the queen level.
Yeah, you know this is the voice note code. To come to the queen level, blah blah. I saw people are things, sister. People who want money and make Spice trick or no. So listen now, you know what she said? You hear the last part? Me want to play it again.
So it's to come to the queen level.
So it's to come to the queen.
Whether by
She's dressing her blood clot.
To get a hype. Whether good about her blood clot to get a hype. But something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So we have to get the blood clot because we want these hype. And some people are things this stuff.
All that voice note could be me attack that to you. I'm going to say, I saw people are things. Sister Spice, you never edit voice no good. Spice, you never edit the voice no good. So why? You're not a light in your house, your phone now, 2 phones you have. Why you never edit the voice note good? Why, when you cut the voice note, you should have cut off the part where say, I saw people I think sister. Why you gonna let go the part where say, I saw people I think sister? No, I'm not dealing with one voice note at all. They will tell you who are the baby father. For the boy. Hold on. Spice, why you never cut off the part where say, I saw people think sister? You should have cut off that part because you're trying to make it look like a me, right? And because you're trying to make it look like a me, why you make the part say, I saw people I think sister? Obviously, I'm the advisor. So if me say, I saw people I think sister, that jeopardize every fucking... People, let me go in the courthouse now. Let us be real. We're going to listen to the voice note again. I'm going to go on something for sleep on tonight. If I am disgracing her and me I talk bad about her based on how she have put it, why would I say I saw people I think sister? Let me go again. Boy, Spice, me don't know who get that editing. Boy, you don't know what. Listen again.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by this...
To come to the queen level, it must have sucking off by the queen. To come to the queen level, it must have sucking off by the queen. Listen, word for word, don't make Spice tricky. Move on, listen. I'm not trying to preach up, no, you know. I just want to deal with him and move on, listen.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype. Whether we talk good about our blood clot to get a hype. But something about our blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So please you have to get the blood clot because we want these. I saw people that think sister.
I saw people that think sister. Remember, people, do you listen to the voice note? Do you listen to the voice note? So if me I go cuss and say me I take thing, why would I say I saw people that think sister? Spice, you never do a good job with cutting the voice note. Whoever you're nervous when you do it. Well, I'll play the next one. But do you understand what I'm saying? I saw people that think sister. I am advising that black whore whenever can be. The baby is for the flawless man. Yes. The baby is for the flawless man. Hold on, I'm just going to go to the next voice note. You want to know who is the flawless man? You want me to tell you who are the flawless man? Let me show you who the baby belongs to.
I wish that I jump and I take it out. Right I know I got one the gun. Yeah, I wish that I got the boom up. Come on, can you put them pick up? Well, I wish that I jump and I take it out. Right I know I got one the gun.
I don't have anything more to say. Go and Google that man. And Google the man kids them. And Google her kids them. That's your homework. Because me don't want to mix that further. This is your tonight story. Find this man, look at him kids them, and look at our son. Let me go again.
I wish that I jump and I take it out. Right I know I got one the gun. Yeah, I wish that I got the boom up. Come on, can you put them pick up? Well, I wish that I jump and I take it out. Right I know I got one the gun.
The son that she has belong to the flawless man. Let me go again. Go
I
again.
wish that I jump and I take it out. Right I know I got one the gun. Yeah, I wish that I got the boom up. Come on, can you put them pick up? Well, I wish that I jump and I take it out. Right I know I got one the gun.
Alright. Let me move on to the next voice note. RT, I tell you, say the pitney is for the flawless man. Go and Google the flawless man page and look at the flawless man's son and look on him kids them and look on her son and look on the flawless son and realize who and who favor. The pitney is not for Nicholas. The boy. And everybody should have know that. You know, realize, say, the baby don't have nothing for the father. You know, realize that the baby don't have nothing to the father. I'm done talking. I say, go Google. Go and Google. Because I don't want to show and get myself in a trouble if you know quote people call. I said, her child is for the flawless man. So you need to go Google the flawless man. And when you Google a flawless man and match up the opinion. But more, the first voice note had killed me though before I go to the second one. You see, when the voice note where she play, where she say, when everything done, the last thing of the voice note say, may I emphasize it because the blogger in my record say, I saw people that think, sister. I saw people that think, sister. Help text the team and help. Everyone RT family, help text the team. I saw people that think, sister. Spice, you didn't cut the voice no good. You do every fucking thing for answer back, but you're unnervous. Listen again. I saw people that think, sister. If you are saying that, I am saying that I'm going out to talk bad things about you. Sister, my God, now sleep. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You give me some hope again. Make this girl, sister, make the people them can prove say this girl evil. Thank you, God, for showing me say the girl. I make everybody say the girl. If I am talking to you, why I'm going to say that? Listen now. Listen what I'm saying. I saw people that think, sister. Tell the truth now, people. I saw people that think, sister. Go and go listen to the voice note now. And here, after me done kill up myself and talk the things them. Me say, in the one voice note that she play first with the snake, I saw people that think, sister. It wasn't say, I saw RT, I think. I saw people that think, sister. Now when you text it in, it's not going to no more mix up. Because when you come here for the mix up, you have to text it in. The pitney is for the flawless man. Go and go Google the flawless man and looking at the flawless man life and then match up the sun and together. The pitney is for the flawless man. Me not a joke, me I tell you. Me can bet you too. For the flawless man. But hold on. I saw people that think, sister. Alright. Hold on. Next voice note before me they go another receipt. Write down where me go now. Right now, when I'm going to 1, the pitney is for the flawless man. That's the son. Alright. Listen again.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype. Whether by talk good about her blood clot to get a hype. But something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So she have to get the blood clot to come along these hype. And some people are things and stuff.
You couldn't tell Spice to cut the voice no good. I saw people that think, see, listen again now. Me just emphasize for that one voice note here, you know. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Talk the truth now, people. Don't be a hypocrite. Don't even pick up for me. Let us play facts right here. She's saying that me a demon and me a wicked. I encourage her. I advise her. This is where me say me I will go to the next one. Just me I say it one last time and then we move on. Listen.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have something off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype. Whether by talk good about her blood clot to get a hype. But something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is it. So she have to get the blood clot to come along these hype. And some people are things and stuff.
You know what I'm saying? Some people that think, sister, me I advise you and I tell the girl say she want bathe, she ever look dirty, she call me, me tell her, I mean I encourage her, and me I say, she wrong, she not understand, Spice, you're wrong. That's why she bother say, you know, your color and your heart merge. That is why she bother say your color and your heart merge. You know, I know the people might say, now me move on to the next voice note now. Let's go to the next voice note.
In Queenie, you know me I said to myself,
Tagar!
me I look at idea what we can do on the social media to get back at. You know, like I understand them out, so just do a little, you know, something where, if me don't know, I think we have to line up some police and make something go viral.
Alright. To be honest, I did say that. You know why I say that? Let me tell you why I say that. There was a man in our apartment when come to scandal, say police come and apartment and lock him up and so forth. I call her one day and I say, Grace, remember me tell you me not hide it. Remember me tell you say me I beg for the little fame. Remember me tell you say me I ask her for the little fame. Me never hide it. Me say me want to get at. Now you know me never say nothing about the music though. You know, me never say nothing about the music. I said, all I will do it. I said, no, I said Spice, because me I do every little thing for the boss. Me I do look at everything for the hype. No, listen now. If Spice are my friend, and then me I go say to her, I say, me want an idea. Remember, she a play my voice note when me get her. Remember now, she a play my voice note when me get her. So if me and Spice are friend then, and me I say to her now, say, yo, me want do a little thing to get back at. Obviously, me can't deny that. Because the whole I know. Here me come out here and say, me want to look at hype, she should have acknowledged me, she should have bossed me. So if you hear me go to her and I say, yo, Spice, me want to look at something to get at. Every artist do it. Everybody do that. I don't do nothing wrong. Me I own it up. Me say yes. Me say yes. So, what I say, when me say wrong, let me go again. Me don't say nothing wrong. I don't say nothing wrong. But I want you to know the first voice note that address her when she said when the girl said she dirty and want baby. So I say I saw people that think sister. Alright, cool. So we clarify that. Now with this voice note now, me I look at IPS. Cause everybody, me not hide it. Me I look at IPS. So me I go to she now, as in, me I advise her. Listen what me say. Then Queenie. Listen what me say. Me I look at advice for myself.
In Queenie, you know what me I said to myself? Me I look at idea what me can do on the social media. To get back at. You know, like I have a song them out, so just do a look of, you know, something where, if me don't know, I think, but me have to line up some police and make something go viral.
Alright, me have to line up some police.
You know what I said to myself?
Line up some police and make something go viral. Yes, I go to Jamaica and I take a picture with me and some police together. With the police them, me go look for that picture there. Meanwhile, RT family, can you go on my Facebook page and type in RT and police? Because I did take a picture with me and 2 police. Me stand up so. And the 2 police them on one side. And me stand up so with the police picture. And that's what I say, me will take some picture with a police. Me never say me go talk nothing. Listen to the voice note, because she couldn't cut the chart. Listen, she couldn't cut it short. Because if she lick out something, me play it again. Me not tell a lie. Listen, I know Spice not good to nothing concrete. She not good to nothing concrete because she not nothing concrete.
You know what I said to myself? Me I look at idea what me can do on the social media. To get back at. You know, like I have a song them out, so just do a look of, you know, something where.
Oh, me did say song, yeah.
If we line up some police and make something go viral.
Yeah, me did say song. Alright. In this now.
You know what I said to myself? Me I look at idea what me can do on the social media. To get back at.
People may yarn off of the local bus. Me a yarn after the little boss. No, nobody now. Listen, me not go tell a lie. You know hear me talk about the little boss and I want the little acknowledgement. So if me go say, hey Queenie, you know me I look a little thing forget. Remember we all away are friends, so we chat. So she must have a little secret for me. Talk the truth. Thank God I not major a little bit. You know, all away are friends. Come, speak reality. The whole away was friend, the 2 away at talk. She ever have a little sitting with me chat say, but even though she feel like say she come with something, she still weak. So me say, yo Queenie, you know when I look a thing forget back at and so forth. Me never remember fully, but me have to try to remember now to explain. But the end of the day is nothing of the rest. But anyway, let me tell you, let me go on the receipt now. Spice, you come weak. You come weak, sister. You come weak. And the people them feel to realize you come weak. But let me see you come weak. Alright, me give you 2 couple more receipts, you know. Let me see where I start from. Let me start from the one where I get my lawyer ready. Milo, get my lawyer ready, because that one you're going to put me in a trouble. Let me start from the fact that Spice baby father has issue for everything. Spice call Jamaica, dig up our links, get in the court system Bandulu, ask the court system Bandulu to go in there and take out where the baby father requests and asking me to sink it, to hold it. Now, let me tell you where Spice do Bandulu now. I have to prove my point. I'm not John, but we are get liar ready. Ready now? We are get liar ready because me not John under the boss. Ready now? Start read. See the case number there too. Voila, let me hold it so good so everybody can see. Take on a screenshot. 2007. Nicholas Lal. Case such and such. I want to find it the right way. See it here? It forward to me. See it mark forward. Look. Get my lawyer ready, wifey, because this one is going to be serious. Look. So me have secret. So you don't know me have file and receipt. Me have to know if you do my thing. See there? The man file for everything. See the documents here. When you fuck you, boy, you run bumbo clad, come boy, you come talk, boy. You not answer that demon when me have your secret big pussy girl. Where you fuck Rebel and TC and then blood clot. They just because you know see TC and Rebel now deal again. Because what? True you fuck it two of them and make them fall in love, make them fall in blood clot love with you so them a catch pussy feelings. But everybody never know say you and Rebel are fuck and TC are fuck. But they look mad one, she mad, so you need to know with she. So your blood clot run off your mouth. So me drop file. So see the paper here, me have receipt. See the paper here where the man I try to clear every blood clot thing and all no. See the Grace Almington, see the from when a bandul paper this me get. All know the boy can't get nothing. Me show you no hear nothing about half and nothing in and no quarter what they see there from July 2017. See there? The man filed for every blood clot thing but RT sit down pan that. See the Lal Nicholas Grace, see there? Everything right there so for the clear of everything, see there? Let me put it down, you have to go zoom in look more, see there? You see the bit, you want to take on a screenshot? Second screenshot, when no blood clot, see paper there where she send come. Spice go suck your mama, you know nothing for me. Tell the whole world say you fuck TC and Rebel. Take a TC in a blood clot work, but every day she blood clot clean and I take picture and I go on. Because you minor blood clot and Rebel she too. The next Rebel cranny Rebel to blood clot, you fuck. Every whole world know me talk say Spice a big blood clot sodomite. A threesome she do with the baby father and the next one fuck her away. So see the evidence. I have bill and blood clot receipt. Come on look. See it there? See there? Alright. Now see where the feelings are careful. After that, look, see the file. Eh? Come on, take screenshot, bring it everybody. See there? This is what Spice do. This is what Spice. So you see, oh me into her and so me a help her. You saw me into her and so me a help her. This is Bandulo, me got quote. This is Bandulo, the boy, if you serve her. The lawyer supposed to serve her this blood clot, yeah. And Spice go Bandulo behind the baby father back and get this paper, yeah. And from the get this paper, yeah, I'll know police, the lawyer don't even know say Spice have it, but RT have it. See the paper, yeah. Oh, me for have them a blood clot papers, yeah. If me no know file and secret. No, Spice, you can't blood clot style me when you are come at talk about vice note. You can't fix me. People wanna see it there. Spice go suck your mother and Rebel and everybody. Spice, remember say your sister dash the belly and me get the bush. And me get the bush for recover it. Spice, remember say the truck, I know you buy the truck for the sister. I hype ya look. Alright, let me show you the feelings I can. Spice go suck your mama and go give back give the flawless man in Pitney. Go suck your mama. And Spice, don't make me expose the gunman down at Jamaica. Don't make me expose the gunman picture where you sent to me down at Jamaica. Because that is not fire shot off of the two blood clot that way. And me alone, I'm going to fire shot off. Hold on, I'm so come again. Hold on, let me go for another receipt. Hold on. You want to enjoy that one day? Blood clot. You want to enjoy that one day? So, let me explain them. I'm going to go for more receipt. So, Spice, go in at the Jamaica system, Banduli. Yes, me have my lawyer already. Remember, me have my money because at the end of the day, since she have played dirty, me a demon. I was trying to play angel like the fallen one. Now you say me a demon. Spice, remember say me have your file, your surfing ticket. Remember say when they go in and pay your money, Bandulu, because you know want the boy get nothing. Remember say you change remember now you know the contractor will build the house. You pay him half for the night. Say the baby father never give no money. So therefore, that's why you go in at the system, Banduli, to try to save the house. The baby father supposed to serve you this paper. And me read it and tell you say there's going to be a half of everything. And you take my word for it and go call your Banduli friend them and them send in the copy of the paper for you, for the boy everything. So until today, the boy can't get blood clot, nothing. Because at the end of the day is you pay your money for wipe it out of the system. And them send you the copy because through your queen of dancer, you're the queen of Bandul blood clot low. The queen of Bandul low. And wipe it out of the system. The boy can't get nothing. But now it'll go free up, Spice. It'll go free up. Me go give him the... Somebody tag Nicholas Lal for me. Somebody find Nicholas Lal for me. Because this girl I feel like say, yo, a funeral me I keep for your blood clot. Spice, remember say your pussy stink. And remember say anywhere you go you have to use lotion. Spice, remember say when you take off the makeup, you know, your skin dry and cracky, you know. Spice, remember nobody can see in the public, you know. Remember say Stacy we won the gas station a Mandeville, you know. And you and I used to fuck before you and TC and Rebel, you know. Spice, remember say you fuck with TC for an man make she left the cameraman, you know. And you fuck with TC from the man, make she left the cameraman, you know. And two Rebel too tough to blood clot. And Rebel she not have no nature, not of a man nor woman. So therefore you stick to TC and wife her up. Bumbo clot. I mean a bill and receipt. What the fuck you talk about? Don't play with me, girl. Don't play with me. When you come good. Don't play with me. Come, don't play with me. Spice, remember, say the Rasta man, I me tell you about him. I remember you asked me for speak. Come, let me go on the receipt again. See it where Spice asked about the Rasta man. So I'm going to talk about the Rasta man now. Alright. Rasta man, big up yourself. You're going and pork today. This is Spice. This is Spice. Search him out, okay, on it right now. Him 100%. Alright, so I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to start from here, so. Hold on. I never know you got answer me, but I'm glad you come. True, you hear me emphasize you can't answer me. So I could start from here, so now. Alright, I could play my voice now.
This is him now. May I study the Rasta man? Me like him energy. But I just feel like you more faster than the Rasta man in terms of you're the fast one. In other words, are you? You understand? In other words, I feel mad with me. Just feel like the Rasta man a little bit slow.
And everybody knows the Rasta
Not
man.
in a bad way. No.
And that's not a lie. Everybody kind of blood classes say the Rasta man slow. Hold on.
Ambition, him have style, him have aim. But I just feel like you have to push him to do everything, you know.
See it, me I show every blood clot thing. Me not hide no bumbo clot, nothing. See there, you're going to change your number tomorrow at Atlanta because you're going to call on our blood clot to really see if a fair thing. You're going to also call on our blood clot to really see if a me, a somebody else number. Because I don't want to show you the receipt them. And when I show you the receipt them, you say, oh, are you make it up? See the blood clot number there. You can call her right now too. And say, Spice RT live. Is it you, darling? Is it you, darling? Is it you, darling? Is it you, darling? See when you get the number there. Spice was okay, mama. I'm not afraid of you. See there, him not see she address and say this and that. Read the text message. Cause she a text me a voice note. Come.
I'm not sure about the money part. I'm not sure about the money part. I'm not sure about the money part. Trust me, I'm not sure about the money part. But if you say so, I say go.
Spice, I rank to you when you call me D-man. Remember that same D-man you receive you. Remember that same D-man you help you with ladies. I go say, okay, mama.
Look a thing where you have to find out. Alright. Him good, him alright. One thing me notice with him, you see him past relationship and when him go through, is like a lot of things go on where when he's a man like this, like to keep things himself and meditate and draw by himself and look into himself. So he more observe everything in him, inner consciousness. So it's like, sometimes it's hard to get things all the time because he might keep things to himself. You understand? Otherwise from that him creative, but him more person man, him more lack. You understand? So it's like you really have to know what I think. Also, your kids are going to take into him, especially your son and your daughter, because him bring forth a different energy. But it's just that is a man like this, you know, can't know what upon his mind all the while because him stay to himself and just think, you know. It's just that him have a little moody ways, you know. But your man, I don't see no problem with him. He's better than everybody so far. I not lie. He really care about you. I not lie. Him the palm point. I not lie. But it's just that once you can keep up to film speed, is alright. And you have your own speed and film speed different. But it work. When I say, I don't really know nothing about him. I just picture them in your post. I don't really follow it up. I want for your energy. So I go try to find him on Instagram and see what I go on and see. But that's just for the picture you post. I don't really know nothing about him like that, to be honest. I never really follow it up that much. But at the picture them when I see me just look into. I'll check out his profile and see what I go on.
All the one when you're pretty done, you can go start fuck man. All the one when you're pretty done, you can go start fuck man now because you come out strong for your blood clot. This is funeral service. Because you got to talk about, oh, she have me as reader man. Well, obviously, I'm the boss. I'm the fucking boss, bitch.
Energy, just pure love, happiness. Pure love, 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 love. No fake love. Love and happiness, love and happiness. You know, say, if I tell you the truth, with this man, have an energy towards your body wherein you never want no other man. You never feel no other woman. I just him. I know you cuss with me say a while ago. But the end of the day is I him. Yeah man. Yeah man. Me see it as I go up on the page and I start search. I him. This is called a soulmate. You know what is a soulmate? Yeah. I him.
Big pussy Spice, when did I take the Rasta man? Him never know say your pussy stink. I know you come call me demon. Remember that D3 demon catch up in your dead hole. Remember say your pussy stink when Alisa face off bring you come to me. Your pussy stink. A bush me have to boil and get that stinkness there out of you. Because you have it for say the Indian woman put it on you when you go take the woman man. Bumbo clot, me a bill and receipt suck on the woman. Me glad you come answer me. Cause me a come for your blood clot now. You what you say? Yes, me like him energy. Him see there? Munu can't read too, you know, so, and him love the kids them, and him spend time with them. Suck your mama Spice, me that do my job, and you know want boss me, so me take it from yourself. Go suck your mother. And she said, then me say,
yeah, me see that, and me know that. And one of the most important part of it is, him really care, and him mean you good, and him also go want the marriage, and him go want the family, and your kids them go happy. So, it is what it is, you know. I'll be if you decided to. I want to tell you the truth. Anyway you buck you to and find this man, where is a good buck to, because, yeah man, and him, me tell you say me a problem.
I never tell the bitch to answer me. I never tell that black bitch to answer me. So she take pride and not even edit the fucking voice note good. So I come in with my receipt.
Conroy, but there's me a problem with the criminal one. This one, me not no problem with him. My soul, my spirit, my energy, and everything I work with, I give me a yes. Let me tell you, I feel something in my belly, like a joy and happiness, and yeah, I feel like you're connected there.
People, when me da look the bus she never give me, and me go take the bus myself, right? Cool. She come out and she answer me why she never blood clot stay. And this is the girl crave. She give me the bus and she want to take it back. She give me the bus by me come out and talk and she come out to answer. You see she want to take it back and call me demon. Well, since me a demon, let me do what demon things do. Demon just do demon things. So right now, I am fucking demonable. That's what she say, you know. So let's me do the demon things them now. Because
negative are the slowness me I go say. To me, I'm slow for you, but you can't work with it. And if I should speak any other negative, it's just that when you get to understand, you will realize the tradition of where him come from and the tradition of you is a little different. So now I have two different.
The people them over here say clothes chasing. Oh, you never tell Spice. Why you tell me say clothes chasing? Spice not just style me a while ago. Obviously Spice answer me because she feel away. And she said she nah tag and Ray because she no want to give me the boss. If she did tag me, would I feel better. But she not have to tag me, because me receipt them can tag myself.
Type of tradition. So once you can fit in from film tradition and your tradition, then that's the only thing would that be a problem. Because in everything you have a problem. It's just that the tradition of how him view things and how him grow and how you view things and grow, that is only the buck-ups right now. But once you can fit in from film tradition and him fit in from your own, no good. Next thing, you need to cut off certain people again in this new energy. You need to keep your dancer and your friends them away from him. You need not to make your friends them be his friend. You need to separate your dancers and your people them from him. You need to. People are crosses, people have bad energy. You always say you pick the wrong people and them always fuck you up. But where this is concerned with your man, this is a homework. Don't make the past repeat itself. Keep every dancer and every female and everyone from around your man, please. The energy we receive there right now, don't make nobody come in a bad energy and fuck it up. Blessing, but it's a good look. Married, me only way I wouldn't mind me can't do that wedding them. Me don't ever invite me, but anyway, I say go.
Alright. You saw me advise her, but me still find out say the bitch are wicked. Me still declare say she are wicked. You hear me advise her with the good thing on my heart, and then me tell her say, I doubt you're gonna invite me at the wedding. Bumbo clad people, wanna listen, no? Don't have no time. Listen, you see the Spice gang, them name Suck Your Mama gang. No pay them no mind. Them name Suck Your Mama gang. So when they hear the Suck Your Mama gang, them come over here talk about Team Spice, feel blood clot bad for her. So the end of the day, them have to talk about Team Spice. But Suck Your Mama gang them. Listen to me, I have my receipt. Why you never tell the bitch not to call me? Why you never tell the bitch that she not to answer me? Go here, man.
Do not cut me off. You need to restore back me to salvation light. But you're not blood clot, do. But is that right?
Alright, me have a bumbo clot receipt for say the girl a hold me down. But she use me. You what me say?
Do not cut me off. You need to restore back me to salvation light. But you're not blood clot, do. But is that right?
You what the word say? We will talk. When she hear me say, you know, restore me back, cause me I beg the boss, you know, me I beg the boss, you know, cause true, me thirsty for the boss, you know, and me no want come out here, come talk nothing bad, you know. So hear what me say?
Do not cut me off. You need to restore back me to salvation light. But you're not blood clot, do. But is that right?
Alright. Salvation light. You beg the boss, you know you talk, you beg the boss. She say, we will talk. She say, we will talk. You and me say, I saw you say, with my mouth locked. That's for sure you say the blood clot, girl are wicked. Alright, I could move on now. Let me go down here and show you something now. Because, me no want to show you every little thing right now, because I have to wait till she come again. So, you know, you have to wait till she come again. Let me look for the next something. See what cause the problem here again now. Wait there. This not the next one, the next part, next one. See, the next part. Look. Can go Jamaica December 1st. 12 songs, Shaggy produce it. Alright, before we play the voice note, I say, okay, baby is good now. I think that you should pay Nicki Minaj and Cardi B for do a collab or Megan Stallion for 2021 because on your album. I strongly believe if you listen to me, you won't wrong. My advice is like the reading. Obviously, you know, me have to coach that blood clot illiterate girl, cause you know I ain't tough, but to show you me love her, me kinda coach her. So listen now, she want me come to Jamaica to come kill goat and do all of these blood ritual, sacrifice, not voodoo, but in a spiritual way, revival way, for cut and clear judgment. Now, why me say blood sacrifice? Remember the Bible tell you, say, in the days of Israelites with God tell Moses, kill a lamb. And when you kill a lamb, put the blood on every Israelite door. So when the death angel see the blood, it shall pass over. So when most people in a spiritual realms, when cross is upon you and bad luck upon you, what you need to do is do a sacrificial order with the blood thing, for mark yourself, for cut and clear bad judgment from you. Alright, since she go for me I go come out now. Listen what me tell you say when she say she want me come to Jamaica for the song them or for the album or Shaggy produce.
The same procedure like the first album with Cool It and the whole of them. I did select 7. How much track them on this? And the same procedure we do it, we have to do it back that way there. How much track them on that one now? Last time I did tell you, I see 7 of them. So I want to go and mix it. You see.
Last time I tell you, I see 7 of them. That means the 7 song. Cover the 7 song. Where me help? Cool It, Genie, Black Hypocrisy, This are the Style, the one when she call about her pussy pretty like Shensei face, and all of the, you count the list down. All those 7 songs come out one time. I want to look, you know. Me want you look, you know. Blood clot girl come and go like she want come done me with her cranny self.
Yeah. Me know you see something here go.
Oh, that one didn't have to play yet. So, you see, let me go again when me tell her, say, you see, analyze me, tell, she say, can go Jamaica December 1st. So that means if I go down there, if I do my thing, I can go.
The same procedure like the first album with Cool It and the whole of them. I did select 7. How much track them on this? And the same procedure we do it, we have to do it back that way there. How much track them on that one now? Last time I did tell you, I see 7 of them. So I want to go and mix it to see how much it's in there. I know that want to know how much track.
See, Spice go suck your mama, and you come for me.
Who you talk about my boss? After me not the boss, who you? Oh, me if you make she get it.
You never want to play that one, that one is stay first.
I want to tell us if you tell you the God Almighty truth. Sometimes I like talk to you, no, cause you. I want to tell us if you tell you the God Almighty truth. Sometimes I like talk to you, no, cause you come like you have goat mouth. And anything I say, I saw it go. So sometimes me just prefer to hear from you if you tell you the God Almighty truth.
So let me ask you a question. You know say uno people are blood clot wicked. Imagine, me never come send no screenshot, me never send out the text message, me play a voice note. But Spice come for me a while ago and call me blood clot demon. And I try to tell you say, I fame, me greedy for fame. Okay, so she never greedy for Rasta man. She not greedy for her career. She not greedy for know about the man. And she not greedy for me help her with the man. She not greedy for me looking at the man. She not tell me for go search out the man. Obviously she don't know nothing about the blood clot man. So she want me to verify the man. So the blood clot will now come tell me say me a wicked. You shouldn't tell Spice if you keep her blood clot mouth shut as she come for me. So me not gonna look like a idiot. Everybody have a brand for brand. So me have to defend my brand too.
Boy, I don't know if it's say, cause when you see the things, they may see them for true. But what to do, me can't do nothing. So if I saw,
Me not play the whole of that.
boy, I tell her, I'm glad that she do it though.
That have difference. See it ya? Bumbo clot. You go ya? Watch ya. See that? Look. See that? Ramesh, come here. It's impossible. She's have good teeth behind her. See that? Ramesh, Roshan, it's possible. All the thing with do you do good. You know, see that? Shen say I'm not ready to play for your part yet. You're one of you later. Me I wait till fix you come again.
So why you make a conversation end quick and want make you disappointed? I want know. I want know. Why? Everything I take for joke. Whole world in trouble, me say. Me there, watch you all go on. But where you going with? Where you think? Are you for tell me what go on with the world? Are you for tell me? Why I can't take nothing seriously? I can't follow them people and I'm mad to blood clot. Me ask you what go on and you send me one emoji fire. Something wrong with you, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, anyway,
at this time, I'm up here.
Queenie, you know, easy, you know,
Listen, me not my feelings.
Blessing,
Hold on.
Wagwan. The world is in trouble, Queenie.
Hold on.
God, big up yourself.
Queenie,
you know,
them a time I know my feelings because you're not doing nothing for me. So listen, watch. Me open up my feelings now because you know we are human. Listen.
Me ask you what go on and you send me one emoji fire. Something wrong with you, you know? There, anyway, I'm there still.
Queenie, you know, easy, you know, Queen. Big up yourself, blessing, Wagwan. The world is in trouble, Queenie. Bombo.
Why? Everything I take for joke. Whole world in trouble, me say. Me there, watch you all go on. But where you going with? Where you think? Are you for tell me what go on with the world? Are you for tell me? Why I can't take nothing seriously?
Yeah, man, I be a fool in it.
So why you make a conversation end quick and want make you disappointed? I want know. I want know.
Uno go suck on the woman while you suck on the woman and suck Spicy night. What the fuck you feel like? Cause she alone for have power. She not blood clad. She was the queen, but she's no longer blood clad. It go suck on the woman.
Clean like Jesus' heart.
Go suck on the woman. When me do for this bitch, when me do for this bitch, she shouldn't come out. She shouldn't deal with me and treat me like shit. You see me? Watch the remix now. Watch this now. Me see the man will soon get there. Just did three remix and I do not want them to label me as a remix artist. So go and do your thing. Exactly what I suggest. Our friendship is everlasting. No need to rush. Remix and collab will come. Spice go suck your mama. So when me tell her, say she run go do the bumbo clat style G. When me ask her for the collab, somehow I say, but guess what? Maybe she not find your music credible or she not feel like you're bad. But for every bumbo clat thing when me do for she and said for her career, you are gonna tell me say, you see me, see that? See it? Man soon get there. Yeah, man, see them, I still get there. Me just do 3 remix. And you see there? See the blood clot gal wicked. Of course, my son Earth. I have to blood clot son Earth. Don't you hear I was advising her about a Rasta man? Don't you hear I was advising her about Il Selassie? Don't you hear I was advising her about her career? Blood clot, you know, the Allied Spice people, they not play deaf. Go use the charger when you have and clean out on the blood clot ears. Can't come like when you play deaf. Plug the charger in the ears. You come like when you play blood clot deaf. Well, I'm going to go no more receipt. Come like when I play deaf. Bumbo clot. That video is too long. I could end this and come back. Bumbo clot, because that one is too long. Time to go, maybe end that one here.